our channel!
Mommy, me, and Matya!
Very good, Matya. There's a joy, joy,
Joy,
joy, joy down in my heart. Down in my heart. Down in my heart. There is a joy, 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 joy down in my heart. Down in my heart to stay. Matya, what are you going to do this afternoon?
Video, that one.
Huh?
Yeah.
We're going to make a
Sunglasses.
wow, sunglasses and a
Heart.
okay, very good. I will ask you again.
I want to ask you again.
Ito, ha? Namuta. Ay. This afternoon, we're going to make a
Sunglasses.
and a
Heart.
very good.
Heart.
Tama po si Matya. Sunglass and a heart. We're going to use a
Paper.
very good. What's the color of the paper?
White.
Very good. We're going to make a traditional origami sunglass. Ayan. Origami po means it's folding paper or paper folding. It's something new and very interesting for everyone, especially for Matya. I know na hindi pa siya masyadong marunong nito, but in-introduce ko na po to sa kanya. It will help her to increase her hand and eye coordination. It will help your child to be more creative, constructive, and inventive, of course. Ito po yung dalawang sizes na gagawin natin sa paggawa ng origami sunglasses. So, meron po tayong A4 size at A5 size. Gagawin muna natin ang size na A5. Itong edge na to, lagay natin doon sa opposite corner. Matya? Yeah, very good. Okay? Like this. Use your fingers to fold this one like that. Ayan. So, para na po siyang boat, sabi ni Mahatya. Next is, ito naman, itong side na to, fold na naman natin going this one. Like that. So, ayan po, naka-fold na po siya. The same na po kami ni Matya. Ayan. Next is, open it. Open, Matya, open. So, mapansin nyo po is, there's a mountain fold. Yan. So, siya lang po yung naiiba, no? So, para i-flatten po natin siya, ganyan naman. Fold it like this. Yan, like that lang. This one. So, naging ano na po siya, large triangle. Okay? So, para na po siyang mountain. Now, we're going to fold this one. Okay? Oh, Matya, look, Mami. Fold. Ito na po yung kalabasan. Fold. So, ayan.
Down here.
Okay. Then, i-fold po natin siya into half. One. Gagawin po natin is, i-fold po natin tong ang kalahati. Into sa gitna. Ayan. So, ito po yung itsura. Okay, ngayon, i-fold po natin tong dulo at ito. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito na po yung itsura. Then, fold ulit yung ganito. So, may ganito na po siya. And then, itong triangle na to, let's fold it. A small triangle.
There.
So, ayan. So, dapat may naka-fold na maliit na triangle. Ayan. Make sure lang na na-straight siya dito. Ayan. Para i-fold natin siya pa ganun. Okay? Itong kuko. Fold natin ganun. So, ito na po yung finished product. This small sunglass is for
Wow.
yay! Ito naman po sa pang-adult. Ganun din ang gagawin natin. So, ang resulta lang nito is bigger lang siya. Oh, Matya, you try. You try yours and I will try mine. Pag gusto nyo pong malaki, use A4 size. Pag gusto nyo pong maliit, use A5 size. Ayan. Next, what are we going next, Matya? We're going to make origami heart. So, sa paggawa po ng origami heart, dapat po meron po tayong paper na 15 by 15 centimeters and 6 by 6 inches. So, first, we're going to fold it into half. Okay? Oh, very good, Matya. So, ayan, half na po siya. And then, fold na naman natin siya into half ulit. And then, i-fold natin itong sa upper, papunta sa gitna. Okay, here.
So they like this.
You're so funny. Oh, like that. Then, fold naman natin yung nasa baba, papunta sa tip nito. So, ito na po yung itsura. Then, fold natin yung sa gilid, papunta sa gitna. Yes? Oh, it's a telescope? Ayan.
Hello.
Hey! What are you doing?
Funny.
Ayan.
Special
So, ito na po yung itsura niya. Fold natin ang triangle na maliliit. So, i-fold natin ang sa gilid. Ayan. So, ito na po yung heart namin.
Okay, let's do like this.
Okay, very good. Next. Oh, come in na.
Ice cream.
This one. Like that. Go here. Like that. Okay, fold it. Fold triangle. A small triangle. Very good. Okay, fold it. Okay, very good. Ayan, so amigos, ito na po yung nagawa namin. Origami.
Heart.
And what is this? Sunglasses. Yan, for ladies and for kids. Kung may natutunan po kayo sa aming craft session, so, don't forget to
like and subscribe and comment like below.
and
Share.
bye-bye, amigos. See you on our next video. Bye!